At the Louisville Nature Center, we believe everyone should have access to natural spaces, even in the city. That's why we work hard to preserve our urban forest and provide environmental education for all ages. Whether you're exploring the trails, running wild in the nature play area, or stopping to smell the flowers, the Louisville Nature Center is a place for everyone to reconnect with the natural world we all share. Join us and be a part of protecting this precious community resource for generations to come.